Hello YouTube. This is some of my personal experiences of this driving gear. Rukka R.O.R jacket and trousers. They are Rukka's enduro style driving gear, meant for enduro or adventure riding. The fabric is laminated Gore-Tex, so it's laminated already in the outer shell, so it's completely waterproof. The fabric is not so tough and as some of the other Rukka gear, so that means it's very comfortable. It might not give you the best possible protection if you are falling over an autobahn, but when you're driving at slower speeds, it's okay, and you have some harder cordura in the necessary areas. Like I said, it's an enduro or adventure suit, meaning that it has a lot of space for big motocross boots even, and it has some leather in here. I really like the pants. They are really comfortable, and they don't limit your when you're moving your legs or whatever acrobatics you do on the bike. The trousers can handle it. I've been using this suit in Vietnam from Ho Chi Minh to Hanoi, so around 4,000 kilometers, and now in Finland around 3,000 kilometers. And the temperature range I've been using it has been from 15 to 35 degrees Celsius, and obviously it's hot when it comes to 30 or 35 degrees Celsius because the Gore-Tex doesn't breathe. But the ventilations really give you an edge, and you can open and close them whenever necessary. So I would say on a temperature range from 15 to 25, it's perfect. It's really, you know, typical Finnish summer like this. It's the perfect suit for this kind of weather. So this is my personal experiences of this suit. I really can recommend it for adventure riding. Maybe if you do some hardcore enduro, you should go for the motocross gear or something else. But for adventure style riding, it's very good.